Can you hear me? Can you hear me? If you can hear me, please drop a comment if you can hear me. How has been trading? I hope it's been profitable. I hope it's been profitable. If you can hear me, drop a comment. If you can hear me, drop a comment. If I'm audible, I'd like to know. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hope you're prepared for today's market. I can see great opportunities, money making opportunities in the market. Like I shared with you guys on Monday when we had the weekly market outlook session, I told you my bias for the week on GU, AU, NU, and EU is bearish, and that is playing out. That is playing out. And I told you the area I'll be considering selling this instrument. And right now, price is at that area, is at that zone. So today I will be considering looking for sell opportunities on this instrument. Okay, we are expecting FOMC news to be released today, and by 1:30 also I think we have employment. Let's check the calendar. So by 1:15 ADP will be released. Non-farm employment change was the forecast 163, the previous was 152k, so they are expecting increase. Okay, so if the value, the actual, is higher than the forecast, then we should expect USD to be bearish. Sorry, USD will be bullish. USD will be bullish. USD will gain value if the actual exceeds the forecast, and if the actual is less than the forecast, would expect bearish USD. Would expect USD to be bearish. Okay. Okay. Since our technical bias is bearish, we're hoping that that the data will be positive for the dollar. Okay. Since our technical bias for the week is bearish, we hope the data would be positive for the US dollar, so that the fundamentals would be in agreement with the technicals. That would be a strong confirmation to go bearish on this instrument I just mentioned. Also by 1:30, unemployment claims will be released. So if actual is better than the forecast, is higher than the forecast, we should go bullish on USD. And if it's less than the forecast, we should go bullish on USD. Okay, if the actual is less, we would go bearish on USD. If the actual is higher than the forecast, we would go bullish on USD. And by 3 p.m. also, ISM services will be released. What's the forecast? Okay, they're expecting a decrease. Okay, they're expecting a decrease. Okay, so we'll wait for the actual. If the actual is higher than forecast, positive for the dollar. If the actual is less than forecast, that will be negative for the dollar. Okay, then by 7 p.m. FOMC meeting minutes. Okay, there will be FOMC meeting today by 7 p.m. So we should expect high volatility in the markets. Sometimes days like this, when you have several major news to be released, you would see volatility few minutes before the news is released or after the news is released. Most times price will just go in a range before the news is released. Okay, so that should be your expectation for today's market. So if you're trading today, be very conservative. Don't over leverage, and ensure you apply stop loss. Stop loss on any trade you execute in the market. Like I've always advised, if you see your technical setup, irrespective of the fact that a major news will be released, execute your trade setup. Execute your trade setup. Okay, you don't have to, if you're a technical trader, you don't have to wait for the news to be released. If you see your setup, you know what you're supposed to see on the chart before you execute a trade. Once that setup shows up on the chart, go ahead and execute your trade. Set your stop loss and set your take profit. Now, what I do advise on days where major news has to be released, especially FOMC and employment change or employment claims, I advise that your stop loss should not go below 40 pips. Okay, your stop loss should not go below 40 pips. On the normal markets day when there are no major news to be released, you could use 20, 30 pips. But on days when a major news is expected, you should use at least 40 pip risk. 40 pip risk, 40 pip stop loss. That's my advice if you're trading on days when a major news is expected. I hope that is clear. So let's go to the chart. If you can hear me, I want to see your comments. If you can hear me, drop your comments. Can you hear me? Am I audible? I believe you can all hear me. Can you hear me? If you can hear me, I want to see your comments. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? So let's start with GBP USD. My bias for GBP USD today is bearish. What's happening on GBP USD? Okay, GBP USD has been bullish. Yesterday was bullish. Yeah, let's start with the daily time frame. I think yesterday candle closed bullish. Okay, it's closed bullish. It closed bullish, and since the open of the market, it has been bullish. So let's see what we have on 4 hour. So you can see this is an area of liquidity. This is an area of liquidity, and they might want to clear liquidity at this previous high before going bearish. Okay, and also you will notice that this candle was used to clear liquidity at this previous high. Can you see that? This candle was used to clear liquidity at this previous high. So it's possible they might not get push price up to this level. The only thing that would make them hit this level, clear liquidity at this level, could be fundamentals. Okay, that is the only reason. Okay, that will be the only reason for them to be able to clear liquidity at this previous high. It will be fundamentals, but technically GU is set for sell. GU is set for sell, but this is not the right time to execute. You should wait for a shift in market structure before you execute a sell trade on GBP USD. Wait for a shift in market structure before you execute a trade on GBP USD. Okay, if you apply your Fibonacci on this previous range, you would see that GBP USD is at a premium level right now. You can see is above level 50. GBP USD is at a premium level. We can't apply it on this previous range, reason being that we can't work with this previous range. Reason is that you can see price has already pulled back above level 50. Price pulled back to a premium level before it's dropped. You can see, so this has already played out. So the range we'll be working with is this. This is the current range we should work with, and as you can see, the market is at a premium level at the moment. The only thing that will make them push above this high would be fundamentals, but technically USD is set for sell. But like I said, wait for a shift in market structure. Let's go down to 1 hour. Let's see the pattern on 1 hour. So you can see on 1 hour, you can see what has formed here. This is a spinning top. This is a spinning top. So if the next 1 hour candle closes bearish, one could consider selling. Okay, if the current 1 hour candle, this candle will close by 11. If it closes bearish, one can consider selling GBP USD. I'm not seeing your comments. I'm not seeing your comments. Am I the only one in this live stream? Am I the only one? I'm not seeing your comments. Okay, so so if the current 1 hour candle closes bearish, okay, one could consider selling GBP USD. But like I said, wait for a shift in market structure, and the shift in market structure on 1 hour time frame would occur after a candle closes below this low. Okay, wait for a candle to close below this low. This is it higher low? Yeah, higher low. This higher low before you consider selling. I hope you are with me. Wait for a candle to close below this low. That would be a shift in market structure. That is when you should consider selling, not after the close of this bearish candle. You should patiently wait for price to close below the low of this candle before you consider selling. That's my take on GBP USD. I hope that is clear. If there's any instrument you want me to analyze, drop it in the comment section. Drop it in the comment section. Okay, let's look at gold. What's my take on gold? I'm still bearish on gold. So you can see on gold, let's start with the daily. Okay, let's start with the daily. You can see yesterday candle was playing out on gold. Yesterday candle closed as looks like an hanging man. You can see looks like an hanging man. So what's playing out on gold? Clear on liquidity. What they have done today is to clear liquidity at this previous high. Monday and Tuesday high, and also Friday high. They've already cleared liquidity. Okay, they've cleared liquidity. Also, if you apply Fibonacci, okay, if you apply your Fibonacci from this swing high to this swing low, you would agree with me that price is at a premium level. You don't buy at premium level. You don't buy at premium level. You sell at premium level. And at the moment, price is at premium level. All you need to look out for is a bearish reversal pattern on 4-hour or 1-hour time frame. That is what you need to be looking out for right now. A bearish reversal pattern. Once a bearish reversal pattern forms on the 4-hour time frame or 1-hour time frame, it's a strong indication that the trend is changing from bullish to bearish. Now, you don't just jump in after the formation of the bearish reversal pattern. Okay, don't just jump in. Wait for a shift in market structure to occur on 1-hour or 4-hour time frame or 15 minutes time frame before you sell. Now, after the shift in market structure, price is expected to pull back. Okay, you could apply your Fibonacci after the shift in market structure. Apply your Fibonacci and wait for price to pull back to a premium level before you sell. Okay, wait for price to pull back to a premium level before you sell. So that's my take on gold. I'm considering selling gold today. I'm considering selling gold. All I'm waiting for now is a bearish reversal pattern to form on 4-hour time frame or 1-hour time frame. I'm expecting a massive drop on gold. I'm expecting a massive drop on gold. If I'm selling gold, I could hold, I might hold it till this low. If I see a good sell setup on gold, I might hold the trade until this liquidity is cleared. That's my expectation on gold between now and Friday. That's my expectation on gold. Okay, so let's move down to 4-hour. What pattern do we have on 4-hour? So the current candlestick is bullish on 4 hours. You can see liquidity has been swept. You can see the swept liquidity at this previous high. So we are waiting for a bearish reversal pattern to form on 1-hour or 15 minutes time frame. So on 1 hour, you can see a bearish reversal pattern has formed. I will be taking a sell on gold. Okay, I will be taking a sell on gold. Now, after this bearish reversal pattern formed on 1-hour time frame, let me see the pattern we had on 15 minutes. Okay, this is a bearish reversal pattern, right? This is a bearish reversal pattern. But like I said, before you sell, wait for price to break. You can see I've identified this low. This is the most recent higher low. This is the most recent higher low. So you need to wait for price to pull back, to clear this low, to clear this liquidity. Okay, this is a transactional liquidity. Wait for price to clear this low. After a candle closes below this low, wait for price to pull back. So what you would do after price clears that low, apply your Fibonacci from this swing low to this swing high on 15 minutes. Then wait for price to pull back to a premium level before you sell. I hope that is clear. That is what I'm waiting for before executing a sell trade on gold. I want to see price clear this higher low, pulls back to a premium level before going bearish on gold. I hope that is clear. I hope that is clear. This is likely going to play out before the news is released by 1:30, 2 p.m. or after the news is released. Okay, so be patient. Wait for the setup. Wait for the setup. Don't jump into the trade. Be patient. Okay, so that is it for gold. Okay. Okay, can you hear me? 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 So that's my take on gold. Let's move to the next pair. I'll look at one or two more pairs before I end the session. Let's look at Australian dollar. Okay, let's look at GBP JPY. GBP JPY is still bullish. GBP JPY is still very bullish. As you can see, yesterday candle closed bullish, and since the opening of the market, it has been bullish. It has been bullish. So you should be considering buying. But buying GJ, like I shared with you guys on Monday, that buying GJ at the current market price is at a very high risk. It could pull back anytime soon. I'm expecting a pullback. So I would advise that you wait for a pullback to occur before you take a trade on GJ. Long term, GJ is bullish. I hope you get that. GJ is what? Is bullish long term. GJ is bullish. Okay, so but I would not advise that you buy GJ at the current market price. You should wait for a pullback before you buy GJ. That's my take. I can't buy GJ at the current market price because it's at premium. Is at premium. GJ, as far as I'm concerned, is overbought at the moment. Is at overbought level. So I can't buy GJ at the current market price. Okay, so let's move to the next pair. Wait for a pullback on GJ before you buy Euro Aussie. Okay, Euro Aussie, my bias for today's market is bearish. Okay, my bias for today's market is bearish, though for the week my bias is bullish for Euro Australian dollar. But I want to see Euro Australian dollar pull back to this area before I would go bullish. You can see I have a sell trade. You see how yesterday candle closed? It closed as a doji. It closed as a doji after clearing liquidity at these previous highs. You can see also tested this support zone resistance. You can see price tested the support zone resistance, and you can see the strong rejection from that level. Okay, so I'm waiting for Euro Aussie to drop to this discount area before I would go bullish on Euro Aussie. You can see I'm currently selling. Okay, and this is my target for the sell trade. This is my TP for the sell trade. Then from this point, I'm going to buy. And if I'm buying, this will be my first TP. It's going to be a long trade. This will be my first TP, and this will be my second TP. Okay, so that's my take on Euro Australian dollar. I hope that is clear. I hope that is clear. If you are getting value from this stream, I don't have to tell you, you should like the stream. You should like the stream. Don't be selfish. Let others get to see this video. Okay, just like the stream. It costs you nothing. Just like the stream. And if this is your first time participating in the live stream, ensure you subscribe to the channel so that anytime I come online, you get notification from YouTube. Okay, so that is it. Is there any other pair you want me to analyze? Is there any other pair you want me to analyze? Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section. I'm not seeing your comments. I'm not seeing your comments. I'm not seeing your comments. Which other instrument do you want me to analyze? Okay, let's look at Euro USD. Okay, let's look at Euro USD. Euro USD. My bias for Euro USD this week is bearish. I'm looking for sell opportunity on Euro USD, and Monday candle closed as a spinning top, okay? And after the close of that spinning top candle on Monday, I believe a fair value gap was created, and I think that is the reason for the pullback we're currently seeing in the market. Let's go down to 4 hour. I believe a fair value gap was created. Let's go down to 1 hour. Okay, a fair value gap was created, though that fair value gap has been filled, right? That fair value gap has been filled. Okay, so also you will notice there was a shift in market structure at this point. Okay, there was a shift in market structure at this point. So if we apply Fibonacci, we'll take it from this swing high to this swing low. So you can see where price is right now. Price is at what? A premium level. Price is at what? A premium level. So if the current 4 hour candle, sorry, 1 hour candle closes bearish, if the current 1 hour candle closes bearish, we should go down to 15 minutes. Okay, on 15 minutes, there should be a shift in market structure. Let's see, 5 minutes. 5 minutes, there should be a shift in market structure. So you might want to consider selling if a candle closes below the low of this candle. Okay, patiently wait for a candle to close below the low of this candle or this low. Okay, that's my take on Euro USD. Okay, that's my take on Euro USD. Go wait for a candle to close. There should be a shift in market structure on 15 minutes. Let's see 15 minutes. Okay, there should be a shift in market structure before you sell. So let's work with 5 minutes. So patiently wait for price to close below this low, okay, before you consider selling Euro USD. My bias for Euro USD today is bearish. It is bearish. Technically, it is bearish. It is bearish. I hope that is clear. I hope that is clear. I don't know why I'm not seeing your comment. I don't know if you guys are dropping comments, but I can't see it. I can't see it. So that will be all for today's session. I appreciate you all for your participation. If you have any question, you can drop it on the WhatsApp group. Okay, drop it on the WhatsApp group. If you are not on the WhatsApp group, you can send me a message on WhatsApp so that I can add you to the WhatsApp group. So that will be all for today's session. Like I told you guys, we should expect high volatility in the market today because there are several major news that will be released today. So ensure you apply proper risk and money management. Apply stop loss on every trade you execute and don't over leverage. Don't over leverage. Okay? Don't over leverage. Don't over leverage. So that'll be all. I wish you all a profitable trading day. Bye for now.